13 hours later. No, just kidding. Okay, so yeah, so we basically connected up all the lines. Make sure you got the check valves going and everything, the compressors. Again, you guys be very careful when you're tightening these up because these are very, very easy to crack because they're only cast pieces, so just be very careful. I never over tighten these. When I run everything up and I pressurize the system, that's when I do like a final little touch if I get a leak. If I don't get a leak, I leave it. So that's pretty much it. Got the manifold elevated. It's got the little hard lines in front. It turned out pretty quick, pretty good. We're gonna put that on top of his sub box and connect up all the wiring, and she's pretty much good to go, I think. So stay tuned for that. All right, so this thing is done. We got everything set up. We got the trunk done. Put everything back together. I'll show you guys in just a second. Mounted up the controller over here. Put the preset number 5 set up for air out. Auto startup is on 3. That's preset 3. Woo! Thing goes up. Kick the compressors up. It builds up the pressure. It's running a dual setup. It's building up the pressure to 169 psi, 170 psi. We'll let it fill up. Beautiful carbon fiber steering wheel on the Toyota. It's probably a good drive height, 50 in the front and 83 in the back. He's got a huge subsystem in the back, as well as the custom trunk, so we want to put up a little bit more pressure in the back in order to support that. There you go, all the way pumped up. We're going to close that up, and we're going to open up the trunk, and I'll show you guys how the trunk setup turned out. It's pretty cool, actually. There you go. There's the subs. Here's the hardline setup. I kind of like it because if you close the hatch, you can see it. That's pretty fantastic. I'm gonna try to get some day shots of how it looks in the day, but it's a pretty crazy setup. Clean, but beautiful. So that's all she wrote so far. I'm gonna try to do like a video when it's bright outside, because right now it's night. So far so good. I think it turned out pretty nice. Stay tuned.
Dystopian nightmares. Human error. Infinity. On a distant planet, our galaxy.